Hi everyone, my name is Aaron, and in this video I'm going to show you the basic setup for Sound Reactor. The steps in this how-to work in both Sound Reactor Standard and Pro. There are 4 parts to every Sound Reactor. They are spectrum source, spectrum filter, level, and a property driver. At runtime on startup, these scripts are connected in this order. Property drivers connect to a level, levels connect to a spectrum filter, and spectrum filters connect to a spectrum source. Now let's do all this from scratch, and I'll delete what we have here and then build it all back up. So I'll delete the spectrum source in the staging area that has the level in it that was used to create the spectrum. So first we'll recreate the spectrum source. And then under that, we'll create a spectrum filter. And then under that, we'll create a builder. The builder is what's responsible for creating a spectrum from levels. But before we can do that, we need to create a level. So first, create an empty game object and call it staging. Then under staging, create a level. We want this level to be a 3D cube. And we want the cube to scale up and down along Y. To do that, we need to add a scale driver, and that's under Tools, Sound Reactor, Driver, Scale. To make it scale up and down in the Y direction, we set the travel to 8. And since we don't want to see this level in play mode, we hide the staging area. Next, we select the Spectrum Builder. By default, the Spectrum Builder is set to object mode, so it expects a game object for a level. So let's take our level and drop under Levels, Element 0. Since we don't want the frequency range to repeat along the levels, we set Clamp. And now that we're happy with what we have, we can hit Build. Now that the spectrum is all laid out, we can preview it in play mode.